Honey, that golden elixir that has captivated humanity since time immemorial, is much more than just a sweetener. It is the very essence of nature, a masterpiece crafted by bees from the nectar of flowers. Today, we will dive into the fascinating world of honey, exploring its origins, multiple uses, and the health benefits it brings to our well-being. Let's begin with its origin. Honey has a millennia-old history, as ancient as civilization itself. Thousands of years ago, in the ancient cultures of Egypt, Greece, and Rome, honey was considered a treasure. The Egyptians used it not just as food, but also in religious rituals and as offerings to the gods. In Greece, it symbolized life and fertility, and Olympic athletes consumed it to gain strength and endurance. Even in traditional Chinese and Indian medicine, honey has held a prestigious place as a natural remedy. Its creation process is in itself a marvel. Bees collect nectar from flowers, transport it to the hive, and through a delicate transformation and dehydration process, convert it into honey. This process not only ensures an unparalleled flavor, but also preserves the nutritional and medicinal properties of the original nectar. Honey is an extraordinarily versatile ingredient. In the kitchen, its use goes far beyond sweetening a cup of tea. It is the secret touch in countless recipes, from salad dressings to meat sauces, marinades, breads, and desserts. A few drops of honey can transform plain yogurt into an exquisite dessert or add an irresistible glaze to roasted ribs. Moreover, honey plays a starring role in many culinary traditions around the world, from Middle Eastern baklava to Venezuelan arepas filled with cheese and honey. But its applications don't stop at gastronomy. Honey is a common ingredient in beauty and personal care products, thanks to its moisturizing, regenerative, and soothing properties. Face masks, lip balms, and body creams take advantage of its ability to nourish the skin and keep it healthy. Even in hair care, honey is valued for providing shine and softness. Talking about honey is talking about health. This superfood is rich in antioxidants, compounds that help combat damage caused by free radicals in our bodies. Regular consumption of honey can contribute to strengthening the immune system, protecting us from diseases and enhancing our recovery capacity. Additionally, honey possesses antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a natural remedy for soothing sore throats, calming coughs, and promoting wound healing. Its low glycemic index compared to refined sugar makes it a healthier option for sweetening drinks and foods, provided it is consumed in moderation. To top it off, honey can improve digestion, thanks to its natural enzymes and its ability to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the intestinal tract. It is, without a doubt, a food that deserves a special place in our daily diet. And when it comes to delicious food, we can't miss the chance to invite you to discover the unique flavors we offer at Cantina 33, located at Calle Campomanes 5, in the heart of Madrid. Our passion is Venezuelan cuisine, and on our menu, you'll find traditional dishes and innovative creations where honey takes center stage. From honey-drenched tequeños to juicy glazed meats, each bite is a celebration of the senses. We take pride in using only the finest quality honey, carefully selected to enhance the flavor of our fresh, authentic ingredients. At Cantina 33, we believe that food is a way to share joy, tradition, and culture, and honey is the golden thread that connects each of our dishes. Additionally, we want to remind you that if you love cooking and enjoy experimenting with new flavors, you won't want to miss the exclusive recipes from Sonny Montero. Known for his creativity and passion for gastronomy, Sonny constantly surprises us with original and delicious proposals that incorporate honey in unexpected ways. From sophisticated desserts to savory dishes brimming with nuances, his recipes are an invitation to discover the full potential of this wonderful ingredient. Follow Sonny Montero and let yourself be inspired to take your cooking to the next level. Before we say goodbye, we want to thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of honey. We hope to have inspired you to incorporate this natural treasure into your daily life, whether in the kitchen, your personal care routine, or as a natural remedy for minor ailments. Remember, honey is much more than a sweetener. It is history, culture, health, and flavor in every drop. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep discovering together the secrets of great cooking and the ingredients that make a difference. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up and share your experiences with honey in the comments. Do you have a favorite recipe, a special memory related to this delicious treat? We would love to read your thoughts and learn from your experiences. We look forward to seeing you soon at Cantina 33, where every dish is a celebration of Venezuelan tradition, and honey is the star of our kitchen. Come visit us, let yourself be surprised, and enjoy an unforgettable dining experience. Until next time, may the sweetness of honey always accompany your days.